Welcome to Urbanetic Fabric, a modern collaborative platform for planning and developing sustainable cities. In this brief video, I'm going to walk you through some of the new features we have available in the application. When you log in, you'll see a list of projects presented as cards. Public projects serve as templates. You can duplicate a public project to create your own copy, and any changes you make will be saved. Click on your project's card to launch into the City Explorer view. The Explorer view is a 3D scene in which you can view, edit and analyze the contents of your project. You can load in features with the Load Features button, make them interactive by clicking the Explore button. This will allow you to click on a building to view its properties, and use Analysis mode in order to report on your features and also edit the properties in the left panel. In addition to these features, you can also apply a heat map to visualize properties of the features. Select buildings based on their land use type from the Land Uses panel. Switch the base map from satellite to road map using the V key, and render different types of entities using the Types panel. For example, we can turn off features and instead render the lots on which the features belong. Lots are the legal titles, which are part of the regulatory environment. In addition to lots, you may like to look at the zones, which control what land uses can be built on each lot, as well as the overlays, which control more detailed building controls, such as height and setbacks. When you select a lot, you can look at the planning scheme form in order to see both the zones and the overlays that apply, linked to the official planning scheme documents. You can also see a summary of the planning controls and the values that have been pulled out of them. You can also visualize the building controls by checking the checkbox. This green volume represents the volume in which you're allowed to build on this lot. In Analysis mode, you can go a step further and test out different development options by changing the coverage ratio of the building you'd like to construct, or the floor area ratio to control the height. As you change these values, you'll see the dashboard on the right panel update, including the GFA, number of jobs created, the gross development value, among other properties. Furthermore, you can alter the mix of land uses, which will adjust the properties on the right panel once again. Different land uses will be worth different values in different parts of the city. You can see the impact that zones have on the development of different lots. For example, in the capital city zone, there are fewer planning controls, particularly governing setbacks and maximum height, which gives you more freedom to design different kinds of buildings, such as short office blocks or high-rise office towers. By combining the built and regulatory environments in this way, Fabric gives you the ability to scour the city for development opportunities. Since this project belongs to you, Fabric will allow you to click on any entity and remove it from the scene, allowing you to consider alternative development options in the context of the surrounding environment.